Welcome to Theme Park HD, where we bring you the latest and greatest from the theme parks, special events, experiences, and even some sports. Today, Theme Park HD is taking you aboard SpongeBob's Barnacle Bus over at Universal Kids Resort. This family ride is an easy back and forth with the occasional turn, simple and straightforward, while being enclosed within the capsule. Okay, bus is coming, let's ride.
Thank you.
Hola.